Hey, fourth grade math, happy Thanksgiving. Okay, tomorrow, my Thanksgiving gift to you is that tomorrow you don't have a math video. So, woohoo, love you. And don't forget that we have games on What's Up. So please be there, that'd be cool. Okay, here we go. What we're doing today, it says in the theme, remainders as fractions. This lesson is very easy, you guys, because you already know how to divide. But now they don't want you to put your remainder with a little r. They want you to put your remainder as a fraction. That's the only new thing. So let's do A, B, and C together so you feel very confident with it, and then you can do the rest by yourself. And then I'm going to keep helping you with the double-digit division on number 2. Okay? Here we go. So 4 into 3 is not possible, right? But 4 into 37, how many times can we do that, Salma? 9 times. So we put our 9 right here. 9 times 4 is 36. 37 minus 36 is 1. Okay, normally what would we do? We would put remainder 1, but not now. Now you're going to put 1 as a numerator and put 4 as the denominator. And you think, Miss Jessica, where did you get that 4? Right here. The number on the outside is always your denominator for your remainder as a fraction. Okay, so your answer now is not 9 remainder 1, your answer is 9 and 1/4. Okay, look at letter B. 3 into 1, not possible, but 3 into 13, how many times does it go in, Jayla? 4 times, so we put 4 right here. 4 times 3 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. We put our 1 up here as our numerator, and what's our denominator, Kiara? The number on the outside. Good, so it's 3. 4 1/3 is your answer. Okay, look at 4 into 17. How many times does 4 go into 17, Keanu? 4 times. So we put 4 right here. 4 times 4 is 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. You put your 1 right here. And what is your denominator? Hallie? 4. Okay, there you go. 4 and 1/4 is your answer for that one because it's the 4 on the outside. Okay, there you go. So now you should be able to know the process for the rest of number 1. Let's do number 2, double-digit division together. Okay, here we are in double-digit division. Are you guys loving these, or are these your enemies like the 5th graders? Don't let them be your enemies. These are fun. Woo! Okay, here we go. Letter A. We are going to put 20. We can't put 20 into 8, right? So what do? We put our line above it, above the 84, because we're putting 20 into 84. So how many times can 2, look at your first number right here, how many times can 2 go into 8? Fernanda? 4 times. So where are we going to put that 4? We're going to put it over here. That's why we put the line. 4. Okay, now let's multiply. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. Then we subtract. 84 minus 80 is 4. These, you can do it any way that you want to for the remainder. But let's just be consistent. If we already learned the remainder as a fraction, let's put 4 over what? The outside number, 20. Okay? There is your answer for letter A. Look at letter B, because I'm not going to do all of these with you. So you can't just like write down Miss Jessica's answers and then adivinar for the rest of it. Okay, you got to learn the process. So here we go. You put our line over 96 because 30 cannot go into just 9. It goes into 96. So we look at the first number here. How many times can 3 go into 9? Kiara? 3 times. So you put that 3 over the 6, not over the 9, you guys. Don't put it sobre the 9. Put it over the what? 6. Here we go. Let's multiply it. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 96 minus 90 is 6. So you put 6 over what? Keanu? Over 30. Okay, there's your answer. Here we go. 50 into 67. 50 can't go into 6, so we put it over 67. How many times does 5 go into 6, Keanu? Only 1 time, so we just put 1 above the 7. 1 times 50 is 50. 67 minus 50 is 17. So your remainder is 17 over what, Salma? Over 50. Okay? There we go. Let's look at our word problems and make sure that we understand what is going on with those, because I want you to try them. Letter A for number 3 says the supermarket sold 341 dozen eggs at $1.19 per dozen. Okay, so they're selling 341 cajas of eggs. Each caja costs $1.19. What was the cost of all the eggs sold? What do you think you have to do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? What do you think, Fernanda? You multiply because you have 341 boxes, $1.19 cada uno. When you see that word per, it means cada uno, which means it's either multiply or divide. If you need a really big number because you're buying a lot of boxes, then you need to multiply. Okay, so I'm not going to multiply it for you, but it is a big, big number. I'm going to show you how to set it up. You want to set it up like this. And now that you guys are 4th grade math, not 3rd grade math, you guys can do this multiplication problem. I know it. Okay, look at letter B. Jillian is planning to make Bible markers by cutting an 80-inch ribbon into smaller ribbons, each 10 inches long. So look, she has a huge thing of cinta, and she wants to make all of these into little small cintas with 10 inches. So she's going to be cutting it, right? So how many can she make? She has 80 inches. She wants each part to be 10 inches. How many can she make? Do you add, subtract, multiply, or divide? What do you think, Salma? You divide. Look what I'm doing with my cinta. I'm dividing it, right? So you have to divide. 80 divided by 10. How are you going to write that? 10 into 80. Okay? There you go. Let's see what you come up with. That's your homework for today. And tomorrow, you don't need help on anything. You can do it all by yourself. Just put a big fat X around over number 4. You do not need to do number 4. Remember on number 6, average has 2 steps. What is it, Kiana? What are the 2 steps of average? Add and divide. Okay, there you go. You're all good to go for today. Happy Thanksgiving again. Love you very much. Bye.